is catching up. They're turning the first corner now.
Woo! Woo! Oh, he's catching up! He's so close!
Issa's going faster on the straightaway. Oh no!
He just passed him!
He caught up to Khaled.
Go, Khaled, go!
But it's not over.
Wait, he can still actually win!
These turns are where the jet ski's gonna go faster. Khaled can gain ground.
No! No!
Khaled, go faster. There's a few turns left. This is your last chance to be the greatest.
Wait, Khaled's catching up! Go, Khaled, go!
Go! Go!
What are you doing?
Go, Khaled, go!
The race is still going. Why are you celebrating?
Woo! Let's go!
Oh my gosh, I think Issa did it.